Hi everyone, this is Nathan O'Mara with O'Mara Gardens, and today we're going to show you how to lay out and plant your transplants that you started indoors a few weeks ago. These guys have been out a couple times already. We've been taking them out and harding them off over the last few weeks, and now we're ready to plant. So again, make sure that you take yours out, expose them to the sun, expose them to the cold, bring them back indoors, and then go for it. So the first thing you want to do is take your little guy and just gently loosen the side of the pot. Right? So you don't want to hurt his roots in there. You just want to kind of tease the pot out. And then you want to take your fingers, I like to kind of cover the top to hold the soil. Turn him over and give him a little tap on the bottom. Now these ones are just barely rooted, so you want to be real careful when you take him out so he doesn't fall apart. So there you go. Now you got your little root ball. You can see the roots are swirling. If they were real intense, you'd want to break them up a little bit so you get them to start thinking outside the box and starting to spread through the garden. But since these are so light, I'm just going to barely touch them just a little bit. And then I'm going to go down here, use my badger paw, and make a little depression. Turn him over. You want to make sure that you plant him just as level as he was in the pot, so not too deep and not too high. So you're going to set him down in there, just like so, and then you're going to pack the soil around gently, give him a little push, even off the soil, and there you go.